Hi and welcome back to Coffee with a Nerd. Today I want to show you how to add an event in Google Calendar and all of the options that are available to you when you do add an event. Let's take a look at adding an event in Google Calendar. To access Google Calendar in any of the Google Apps windows, there should be a bar at the top of your screen, and you would just click on Calendar to get to this screen. You'll notice that it defaults to whatever the week it is that you are on currently. And to create a new event, you would just click on the event time and the matching date. So I'm going to click right here for a 7 a.m. meeting. I'm going to call it breakfast in the what field. You could at this point select any of the calendars that you own. And I'm just going to click on my name, which is the default calendar for anything. And then I'm going to click Edit Event, so we can go into some additional options. First of all, you can change the date and time, of course, here. If you wanted to change it into 15-minute increments, for example, you could, because the default is by 30 minutes. You have a chance to say that it lasts all day. And you can also select that it repeats, which will bring up a window, and you can select that it repeats every week, every month, and you can say that it ends after 15 occurrences, for example. All right, the next section here is event details. You can say where. You can also add a video call, and what that will do is for anybody that you invite, it will automatically set up so that when they're notified of that event, they can click on connect to the video call. There again is your option for selecting which calendar it belongs to. You can also add a description or other information. And if you wanted to add an attachment, you could click on Add an Attachment here, and what it will do is take you to your Google Drive. So you could add any attachments from within Google Drive. You could also click on Upload to upload any file that you may have on your computer as well. So this would be a great option if you have an agenda or presentation that you're going to have for that particular event that you want to share with everyone. You can select the color, and this piece right here is fantastic. If you need an email reminder or a pop-up reminder, maybe you have Google installed on your phone, it will do a pop-up for you before that event takes place. So you can select however many minutes, days, hours or weeks that you would like for your reminder. You can show yourself as busy. This is for if you have your calendar made public so people can see what times you're available throughout the day. You would set this, of course, as busy if you have that option selected. And then the privacy by default is whatever your privacy level of your calendar is. But if you want to change this particular event to public or specifically private, there you can. Over here on the right-hand side, you have an option to add your guests, and you would just do this by email address. All right. And once the guest is added, they will be sent an email saying, hey, you have been invited to this event. Would you like to attend? And it will give them a yes, no, or maybe. And once they select yes, maybe, or no, it will give you that information here within your event. You can also select whether your guests can modify that event themselves, if they can invite other people, and also if they can see the guest list. If you are in a Google Apps domain and you have created rooms, you can also add a room that is located. So you can use this as a reservation system for your room if you have the Google Apps domain. I'm going to click Save up at the top, and you'll see right here I have my breakfast added for this particular date at the right time. Google Calendar has several other options as well, and we will explore those in future sessions. Once again, thanks for stopping by, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.